Shorts are a good way to get views, but let's be honest, you can't make a living from just the ad money on YouTube Shorts. Most creators, about 95%, don't know how to get promotion or sponsorship deals, and they don't understand affiliate marketing either. They only depend on ad money from Shorts, which isn't enough to live on. So today I will teach you how to make longer videos that can earn you good money. But getting views on long videos can be very hard at first. I will tell you 2 ways to make long-term videos. The first way is completely free, but it will need a lot of effort, time, and editing skills. The second way costs money, but it can run your channel automatically without any skills or effort. I must tell you not to miss the paid method because I use it myself, and it is the best way to run a YouTube channel on autopilot. The niche we have today is named Survival Stories and Extreme Adventures. The reason for picking this niche is because I have myself noticed that people actually have high interest in survival stories to find out how people actually survived such terrifying situations. You already know how to create a channel, right? For a logo, you can use Lexica AI. It has millions of free images that you can use for your channel logo without any worries. Everyone wonders how to get unique video ideas for their niche once they run out of old ideas. Just use ChatGPT for that. All you need to do is write your niche name and ask ChatGPT to give you viral video ideas for that niche. ChatGPT will provide you with lots of ideas. If you don't like any of the topics, just click to regenerate and keep doing it until you find a good video idea. Now, for the script, we will again use ChatGPT. Once you have a good video idea, simply copy that topic and then paste it here again with an additional prompt. You will find the prompt in the description. Save the prompt in a notepad and use it every time you want to generate your script. Once you have the script, I would suggest you read it once and, if needed, do some additional changes to make it more engaging. Once you have the script at the same place, again paste a prompt for generating images. And ChatGPT will provide you with all the images that are related to your every scene. You can either use these prompts for generating images, or if you are creative, use your own imagination for generating images, but that will consume a lot of time. Now, for voiceovers, we will use 11 Labs because they have a large collection of realistic voices. You can easily choose an engaging and unique voice for your channel from their voice library. Just paste your script there, and if you want to change the tone of the voice, write important words in capital letters to make the AI speak them louder. Use commas to create small pauses in the voiceover. That's it. Generate your voiceover, and when it's ready, simply download it. For images, you have many free options like Leonardo AI, Playground AI, Ideogram, and so on. But lately, Leonardo AI is a free tool to generate images. It gives you 150 credits daily after sign-up. To get started, simply click on Create, and then paste your first image prompt here. There are a lot of free image models. I won't suggest an image model in this video, because I want you to try each model and pick a unique one for yourself. Then change Exclude from Image into Custom, and then simply change the image dimensions to 768 x 512 and keep the number of images at 3. That's it. Simply generate the images. Guys, here's a piece of advice. In your free time, try generating different images using different models and prompts. This will help you become an expert at creating great images later on. You can see for yourself that the quality of these images is amazing. Now, import everything into an editing software and place the voiceover on the timeline. As you can see, the voiceover is too long and would make the video too lengthy if we kept the whole thing. So I will trim it to 30 seconds and edit it by removing any empty spaces. Guys, trust me, frequent pauses can irritate your viewers, causing them to leave the video early. So I recommend removing any unwanted empty spaces. Then, place the images on the voiceover, listening carefully to match each image perfectly with the narration. This will help connect the viewer with the story and increase engagement. Next, go to Animations and use zoom in and zoom out effects to add movement to your images. You can try other animations, but I don't recommend any other type. Then go to Transitions and drag and drop transitions between the clips. You can use any transition you like, but for this niche, flashy or shaky animations can ruin your edit. I recommend using black fade and simple animations for a calm vibe. Now, many new creators don't actually use effects, while effects can be a great way for adding extra sauce to the final edit. Now it's time for the soul of every edit, the captions. You can add auto captions if you use CapCut. Bro, trust me, no matter in which niche you are, without captions the video is incomplete. There are a lot of pre-made templates. You can use any template you want to. Now you can either place the captions at the bottom or even in the middle of the screen. I will keep them in the middle of the screen, because for me they perform better in the middle of the screen. Now I will simply add a background music. And don't forget to reduce the volume so that it's either not loud or near mute. And that's it, guys. Let's watch the final video.
Imagine standing at the base of a towering mountain, ready to conquer its peak. But what if everything went wrong? This is the story of John, a seasoned climber who faced the ultimate test of survival. John had been climbing for over a decade. Mountains were his passion, his escape from the ordinary. On a crisp morning, he set out to climb the infamous Peak 727, known for its breathtaking views and challenging paths. The climb began smoothly, the weather was perfect, and John felt invincible.
Now, as you've seen, it took us a lot of time to edit a basic video, and making a great video will take even more time and effort. That's why I have an automation option for you called VSub. The reason I love this tool is that it can create both short and long-form videos. Simply click on a video, select your preferred language, and choose the image style. The best part is that it offers one of the most popular image styles. Next, paste the script we generated earlier, or you can upload your own voiceover. In the settings, you can select one of the popular 11 Labs voiceovers. If you want to add a unique voiceover, go to 11 Labs, navigate to Voices, then to the Voice Library. Choose the voice you want to use in VSub, click on the Share option, and copy the link of the voiceover. Return to VSub, click on Voice, paste your voice link, and click Add. Now the voiceover has been added. From here, you can select whether you want to make a short or long video. We're creating a long video, so just click on Continue, and it will automatically start creating your video. In a few seconds to minutes, the video will be ready. You can edit the video as needed, change or regenerate images you don't like, and select background music, keeping its volume lower than 25%. That's it. Just download the video. Let's watch it now.
Imagine finding yourself alone in the vast desert, miles away from any help. This is the story of Jack, a young adventurer whose journey took an unexpected turn. It was supposed to be a thrilling trek through the desert, but things went wrong quickly.
That's enough. If you want to grow fast on YouTube, check out the other unique niches videos on my channel. See you later, bye.